Good morning, my dear students. I have again presented myself before you because there are so many sentences in an interrogative sentence. My dear students, grammar is one of the most important part for you. I will discuss about an interrogative sentence. First sentence is that here you can understand it. Who is he? वह कौन है? Please try to understand this, especially in an interrogative sentence. Who is he? वो कौन है? The correct answer will be he is Raman, the eldest son of Ram Babu. I will repeat the sentence again. He is Raman, the eldest son of Ram Babu. Next question. What is he? वो क्या करते हैं? The correct answer will be he is a doctor. वह एक डॉक्टर हैं. Next question. Which of you broke the window? Which of you broke the window? तुम में से कौन खिड़की तोड़ा? The correct answer will be Raman did it. Raman did it. Raman तोड़ा. Next question. Are you unwell? क्या तुम अस्वस्थ हो? The correct answer will be yes, I am. यदि आप नहीं हैं तो you can say no, I am not. Next question. Is not India a hot country? The correct answer will be written yes, India is a hot country. Next questions. Is England a hot country? The correct answer will be no, England is not a hot country. My dear students, you can practice yourself, but one thing is that you can write down this no. जिस सेंटेंस में yes शब्द का प्रयोग होता है उसमें no या not शब्द का प्रयोग नहीं होता है. यदि प्रश्न नेगेटिव होने पर उसका उत्तर जो है अफर्मेटिव में होता है तथा अफर्मेटिव होने पर उसका उत्तर नेगेटिव में होता है. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जस्ट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू, प्लीज ट्राई टू प्रैक्टिस योरसेल्फ एंड इट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर यू. नो मोर फॉर द प्रेजेंट. थैंक्स टू ऑल.